Hello students, today we are going to see the next part in the energy. Yes, in last video we have seen about the forms of energy: mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy, electrical energy. These all are the various forms of energy. Today we will see about the next part. Here, before going to that, the question for you here: in which form is energy stored in the plant food? Yes, children, in the plant food, the energy is stored in the chemical energy. Next, how is energy obtained from the cooking gas? Yes, cooking gas, in that first it is stored in chemical energy. After that, when we are using it, that it is converted into heat energy. Yes, here observe and discuss. Yes, you are using different appliances in home, means mixer, lamp, TV, radio, fridge, washing machines. Here, in which form is energy supplied them to make them work? Yes, that only today we will see about here. Here, transformation of energy is occurred. Transformation of energy takes place when work is done. What is it? We'll see one by one here. Water cycle is there. First, water vapor, due to the heat of sun, it evaporates. Then vapor, they forms the cloud that gives rain to us. Then rainwater flows into river. Again, it's stored in the dams. That dams here, yes, these are at height. Therefore, their water has a potential energy. Yes, again, which is transferred into kinetic energy as the water falls down like this. Yes, when the water falls on the blades of turbine, its kinetic energy that is transferred into turbine, and turbine producing the electrical energy. This electricity get transferred into various forms of energy. After that turbine, here the electrical energy we can stored in that, and we can use for various appliances at the home. When the electrical energy is used in our house for various purposes, it gets transferred into light energy when we are on the light or bulb. It can convert into kinetic energy on a starting a fan. It can convert into sound energy while playing a music system. It can convert into heat energy when we are using oven or electrical appliances for cooking. Thus, we see that here we are indirectly utilizing nothing but the solar energy in all these transformation of energy. So, sun is very most important source of all energy. Means main source is a sun. Yes. Next part we'll see here energy resources. The resources used for getting energy can be classified into two types, that is conventional energy resources and that is known as non-renewable energy resources. So these resources which we are using for many centuries, that is known as conventional energy resources. So conventional energy resource includes coal, fossil fuels, petrol, diesel, natural gas. Yes, so these are non-renewable energy resource. We can't make it. Coal, petrol, diesel, all the natural gases. These include in non-renewable energy resource. Next is the renewable energy resource, that which these resources have not been used traditionally, but which we can be used in various form again and again. That is known as renewable energy resource. Renewable means we can use it again and again. Yes, here nowadays due to increasing the population, here increasing the use of energy resources is there. There is a danger to limited reserve, means the whatever the petrol, diesel, they are in limited. Yes, crude oil, natural gas. So therefore it will be better to be alternative for that instead of that. So here that alternative is the renewable energy resource. So in that again which are that we'll see. First is the solar energy, the energy which is obtained from the sun. Now here we are seeing in the market like this. Yes, for heating of water in some home they are using. Again, for solar energy is the root of all energy devices available on the earth. Varieties of devices now are in the market. Solar cooker is there, solar water heater is there, solar dryer is there, solar cell is there. Yes, so all are in the market. So in that here heat energy obtained from the sun is utilized to cook the food, heat the water. Yes, dryer is there, dry again. In solar cell, the electrical energy can be used for obtaining the solar energy. So, solar electric plants have the capacity to produce the electricity on various large scale. A solar plant consists of many solar cells. Yes, in industry also they are using now solar cell, solar plants. Yes, next is the wind energy. Windmill, you all knows that here electricity is generated by the means of windmill using strong winds. So a windmill is used for drawing of water from a well also. Next is the tidal energy. Yes, here in that wall is constructed a narrow region of creek, and due to waves are generated at high and low tide. The turbine can be generated from that and fitted in the wall. It can start rotating and they can produce the electricity. Yes, next type of energy, it is of hydroelectric or tidal power that is present in the Koina projects in the Maharashtra. Yes, so in that also water is stored in the dam at the height. Again they brought down through the tunnel. Turbine is there, and from that turbine they, if they rotated and electricity is produced. In this way, that is known as hydroelectric or tidal power. In that water is used, and in Maharashtra that Koina project is there. Again small projects are also located in other dams. Again energy obtained from the oceanic waves. So while sea waves are there, in that we can make the energy. Yes, though they move up and down regularly at the position, then too we can use them to make generate the electricity from it. Again next is the atomic energy. It is a serious crisis of electric shortage can be eased by generating the electricity by means of atomic energy. By using atom heavy elements are there, thorium, uranium, from that we can generate the electricity. Yes, and nowadays energy saving and green energy. In the way of saving energy is good generating energy. It is very important, you have to save the energy. So there are several ways to save the energy. First is the putting off the lamp or fan when it is not needed. Again making the maximum use of sunlight, solar cell, solar energy devices. Yes, so these all can make to save the energy. Saving energy and energy resources is very necessary. Yes, otherwise we will face to a serious problem like global warming in the future. So green energy also very important. What is meant by green energy? It's the energy which do not produce smoke and carbon gas, means carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide are called as green energy resources. So greater use of such energy is very important. It is very means it is green energies use is very important today. So like this you have to save the energy and use the green energy. So today we will stop here.